can you elaborate about the difference between aerial yoga and aerial silks?
So the best way I like to differentiate both aerial yoga and aerial silks is that aerial yoga goes more like a flow and it follows a sequence just as if we're doing yoga on the ground. And with aerial silks, I find it more of a creative artistic expression
Yep.
where you don't need to do it following any specific sequence or flow. You can make up your own sequence or flow to a song. You can simply work on particular skills and see your progression over time. As where aerial yoga, you just focus on the bigger picture of getting through. I mean, that's at least for me, the way I look at both, the way it's suited in my life.
Sure. What kind of requirements should one have? So if somebody in the chat would love to start doing aerial yoga, what kind of requirements should they have fixed, or kind of, yeah, kind of like certain flexibility maybe, or certain kind of body type? What do you think about that?
That's a great question. So there's actually a lot of mixed thoughts on what the correct answer would be about this, because I have always said aerial is for everybody. And when I've made that comment in the past, I've actually gotten some hate for that because of certain people with disabilities, and it's like, how can you say this is for everybody? And I understand that and I respect that, but I still hold true to what I say, that it is for everybody, because you can go at your own pace. You don't need to use the aerial hammock, the aerial yoga. You don't need to use it and do extreme things. Maybe you just want to hold on to it and feel like a deeper backstretch. Maybe you want to just put your leg on it and see how that feels. You don't need to do it and feel like you're going beyond your limits. So I definitely encourage people to do it, as long as, your doctor says that you're in healthy standing condition, that to attempt these things. I would definitely say try. I mean, the same thing if you want a personal trainer, you have to be cleared to be able to perform fitness. So I'd say a lot of people should, I don't want to say people should or shouldn't, because you can't tell people what to do. Yeah. But I definitely encourage people to branch out, try something new, and see, because I was getting bored of the regular gym and I was getting bored of regular yoga, so it definitely spiced up my life.